Hello guys, most of the people are confused about the formulas that we are writing. In the past 8-10 videos we have discussed everything but not the formulas. So most of the people are worried how to write these formulas, as we were talking about AppSheet is a no code platform, but a lot of formulas are being involved as we are moving forward in our series. So in today's video, we will see how to write these formulas, how you can understand these formulas and implement all of those things in 2023. The things were not simple, very simple in 2021 and 2022, but now the things are very easy. And the ChatGPT is here, as the Google guide is also very much comprehensive, and you can find all of the details there as well. And I am recording this video in June 2023, but in the Google is also giving update that AI will be embedded in AppSheet soon, maybe in a month or two. So if that becomes the case, then this thing will become very easy as well. Now, how you can at this particular time, how you can write these formulas, how you can meet some specific needs, so we will see this. So first of all, if you are an Excel user, maybe you are familiar with some of the formulas already, like concatenate, you know about this formula. If you are using the Google Sheet, if you use the Excel, maybe you are familiar with this formula. You are familiar with VLOOKUP, you are familiar with some other formulas as well. You need to write these formulas in AppSheet at multiple places, in the actions, in the show condition, in the valid if condition, in the required condition, at many places, but the syntax remains same. Now, so this is basically the sport.google.com. I will place the link here on the sheet, and I will place the link in the video description as well. So this is sport.google.com/appsheet. If you go on that, you will find all of the answers here, and this thing is very much detailed. Also, you can use the ChatGPT, and the Google Sport is much better than the ChatGPT at present, because ChatGPT knowledge is limited to 2021, and that is not very much detailed, and ChatGPT also suggests some wrong answers. But definitely, if you are starting and you don't know about the formula name, you don't know what you need actually, so you can go to ChatGPT and you can give your requirement to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT can suggest you some formulas. Like you can say, I want to do this particular thing, I want to do this operation, and ChatGPT will recommend you some formulas. Okay, you can use these formulas and proceed further. Maybe it can prepare a formula for you as well. You can test that formula, and if that formula works for you, and then it's okay, it's good. But if that doesn't work for you, then you can further cross check those formulas here. Here is a ChatGPT, and I have some particular proper chats with ChatGPT as well, that maybe I will display in some other video. But here I just ask two questions: can you help me write some AppSheet formulas? I am Excel user, so you can give reference from that. So it suggested, okay, some formula is there in Excel, and some formula is also here: count formula, average, if condition, and or basically these are the formulas that are widely used. And there are two other formulas, that is select and lookup, that I have asked here. Lookup function and select function, that are widely used. Maybe I will record a video on that particular function if you need. If you ask that in the comment, I will record a video on that particular thing as well, lookup and select. So here you have all of those details of functions as well. But instead of using this thing, if I come here on the AppSheet help, that is this, you will find much more detail. Like lookup, this is lookup function, and first of all they will define what this function does, and then they have given you multiple examples how this can be useful, what will be the input, what will be the output. Also they have given you the syntax, what will be the syntax, and what are the limitation of these formulas, how you can troubleshoot, and all of those things. Similarly, you can find any other issue, like I want to say something about select statement. I just entered it here, and all of the details are here. I just click on select, read more button, and here I have all of the select examples, how I can use select statement, what will be the syntax, how I can troubleshoot it. The most important thing is all of its use cases are listed here with different scenarios. This is scenario 1, where I have the third command. The third command is different here, and it is different again here. Here it is static, the simple example, the more complex example, and again, if you study all of those 5 examples, you can use it in your case as well. So this will be the simple guide. If I summarize all of this video in 2 lines, if you have to write the formula, you are at very basic level, you are not clear about your requirement, go to ChatGPT, tell it that write an AppSheet formula for me, and then give it syntax. I want to do this all in simple English, and it will suggest you, or it will write a formula. Try that formula. If that works for you, it's good. If that is not working for you, then you can just come here and select that. You can give that commands here, and you will find the detailed guide on Google Sport. It will be very helpful for you. Also on the app, if you click on the formula after bracket, you will see its function, how it is working, and you will see some of the examples here as well. Similarly, if I click on lookup, so you see lookup function here. If I click on lookup after bracket, you will see what will be the first input, what will be the second input, and all of those details as we see in Excel and Google Sheet. So that's it for today's video. Let me know in the comment section below if you want a detailed video on the formulas, or how you are using the formulas, how you are writing the formulas, how you are learning. Either you are using the ChatGPT, either you are using the Google Bard, or either you are using the Google Sport, that is sport.google.com, or you are just waiting for the AI to come here so you don't have to write formulas.